Hey YouTube, thanks for joining me again. About 5 years ago I built this log arch, and many of you have been asking for measurements, and this week I just passed 500,000 views on that video, and so as a way of saying thank you, I'm going to provide those measurements. So let's get right into it. Starting up here on the trailer tongue, this is 18.5 inches. And that's 2-inch steel tubing. A brace here that is just cut at 45 inches, and you'll just fit that to cut that to fit here. And then this vertical coming up from there is 13.5 inches. The main beam is 60 inches. Again, out of 2-inch steel tubing. This is 1/4-inch steel plating, and that's 6 inches by 4 inches. Its primary purpose is to keep logs from swaying. This support beam is made out of 1-inch steel tubing, and its length on the long side is 29 inches, and there are 2 of those. This cross beam is 32 inches, and then this leg is a butt joint coming up to the main beam, or the cross beam here, and it is 20.5 inches. And this, the chain catch, is 1/4-inch steel, and it's 8 inches by 4.5 inches. The slots to catch the chain are, these happen to be 1/2 inch. I'm using 3/8 inch chain, so that fits in there real well. And then we have the tires. The tires are Carlisle brand, and I bought these at a local store called Fleet Farm. You may or may not have that store in your area, but it provides all kinds of farm equipment. These particular tires are 20.5 by 8.0-10. That's 20.5 by 8.0-10, and you can buy those either at a store, local store, or online. I know you can buy these on Amazon as well. Finally, back here we have the axle, and the axle I also bought at Fleet Farm. And to be honest, I don't remember anything about these. They were just on a shelf. Somebody that was helping me said, "Here, buy these, and they'll go with your tires." And that's about all I've got on those. So, with that, I think that's all the measurements. Yep, I believe I got everything. So, thanks again for all the views and your support. I really appreciate your time, and we'll see you next time.